We will guide you through how to change color in Photoshop using Pen tool. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image containing the object you want to recolor, select the Pen tool from the toolbar, or press the P key to activate it quickly. Zoom in on the object so its edges, curves, corners, and smaller details are clearly visible before you begin tracing. Click along the edge of the object to create the first anchor points, placing them carefully and using fewer points on straight sections. Continue creating the path around the entire object, clicking and dragging where necessary to form smooth curves that follow its outline accurately. Close the path by connecting the final anchor point to the first one, making sure no part of the object's edge has been left open. Open the Paths panel from the window menu and locate the work path you just created. Convert the path into a selection by using the Load Path as Selection button. Then check that the moving border follows the object correctly. Open the Layers panel and make sure the original image layer remains available beneath the new adjustment. Create a hue and saturation adjustment layer so Photoshop automatically turns the active selection into a non-destructive mask. Move the hue slider slowly to change the object's color while watching the result update on the canvas. Adjust the saturation and lightness sliders if necessary to control the color intensity and brightness while preserving the object's texture, highlights, and shadows. Zoom in and check the edges of the recolored object for missed areas, rough transitions, or colors spilling onto the background. Click the eye icon beside the hue and saturation layer to hide and show the effect, making it easy to compare the original color with the new one.